Hello everyone. So we're gonna start with question number 2 today. In this question, it says a body is thrown vertically upward. Which of the following graph collectively represents the velocity versus the time? So therefore, we will start with the graph, and y-axis will be our v, and x-axis will be our t. So when we throw a ball, its velocity will start decreasing with respect to time. So when we throw the ball, it will have certain velocity, therefore it will not be zero. So it will start with some value v. As time increases due to the gravitational pull, the velocity decreases. Therefore we can see, after decreasing, it reaches a certain point at time t dash, that velocity starts acting negative. After becoming zero, it will start acting negative when it starts falling down. Therefore our answer will be answer number 3. Thank you everyone.